And moving on, the PK poster has been creating controversy from the time it was released, and now it has created a storm even in the Rajya Sabha. BSP parliamentarian Satish Chandra Mishra objected to the poster of Aamir Khan's new film PK, saying it was obscene.
Now, above all, the Constitution imposes a fundamental duty on every citizen through Article 51AE to renounce the practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Now, yesterday I was saying that when I was referring to the television channels and also the soap operas which are going on therein, and especially a celebrity a hero giving a nude picture and posters being, I said that this should be taken seriously by the government. The government itself should take initiation and take action against such actions. If the government is silent, the message goes differently. ये मैसेज जाता है कि हाँ आप ये कर सकते हैं, आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं, आप बड़े भारी सोशल वर्कर बनते हैं अदरवाइज, और आप अपनी फिल्म चलाने के लिए आपको जब पैसा कमाना है, आजकल पिक्चर जब बनती है, पिक्चर के बाद खाली इस बात से क्रेडिट दी जाती है पिक्चर को कि उसने 200 करोड़ कमा लिए या 300 करोड़ कमा लिए. इससे इसकी क्रेडिट चलती है, with which money does not go to the people or poor people, it goes into the pockets of those who are producing the films. So, इसको देखने की जरूरत है. जब प्रोविजन आईपीसी में प्रोवाइडेड है इन सेक्शन 292A एंड सेक्शन 294 ऑफ द आईपीसी, देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोविजन कि दिस इज एन ऑफेंस एंड दिस इज प्रोहिबिटेड, और इस प्रोहिबिशन के अगेंस्ट में एक्शन होना चाहिए. उसमें 3 साल की सजा है, सजा दी जानी चाहिए. लेकिन कौन एक्शन लेगा? इसमें गवर्नमेंट को आगे आना चाहिए, मिनिस्ट्री को आगे आना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट को इस चीज के लिए इंपोज करना चाहिए, पेनाल्टी इंपोज करना चाहिए, फाइन इंपोज करना चाहिए. जो आमदनी इनकी इस पिक्चर से हो रही है, जिसमें इस तरीके की चीज दिखा रहे हैं, जिससे इस तरह से दूषित कर रहे हैं समाज को, उसको इंपाउंड कर लेना चाहिए. उस पैसे को भी इनको अपने कब्जे में लेकर के और सोशल वेलफेयर में लगाना चाहिए, चाहे वो 300 करोड़ कमाए, चाहे वो 400 करोड़ कमाए.
Well, Satish Chandra Mishra went on to also urge the government to take steps to ban daily TV soaps, saying that they depict women in poor light. My colleague Nishita joins us over the phone lines with more details. Nishita, quite a bit of outrage over this particular poster. It was expected, of course, that there would be a lot of protests and a lot of people objecting to Aamir's nude look, but it looks like even politicians have now voiced the opposition to the same.
I'm sure that he would have anticipated this sort of an opposition. Let's not forget that in a country like India, art and movies are restricted to a great extent. That's why our censor board is very particular about some scenes, about nudity. And in a poster like this, that are coming in from someone like Aamir Khan, who has such widespread fan base, you could be rest assured that there would be opposition. And that's what we have been seeing in the last few days, whether it is the pro-Kannada organizations in Karnataka who decided to dress up Aamir Khan's poster, or whether it is the Congress leader in Maharashtra who went on to do the same. This time, however, it is on the floor of the House in the Rajya Sabha that the issue came up for debate. In fact, the issue started off not targeting Aamir Khan, but it started off targeting the TV soaps. Satish Chandra Mishra, who is a BSP parliamentarian, in fact, he took on television soaps, saying that they have always depicted women in bad light. As we know that some of the most popular soaps that have hit Indian screens always have women as the nicest characters, as well as the worst as the bitter characters. So that is what Satish Chandra Mishra went on to point out. He said that TV serials have always depicted women as scheming and conniving individuals, and it has always shown women in poor light. In fact, he also took a dig at Smriti Irani, who is a former actor who acted in one such soaps. He went on to say that there in the serial Kyunki Saasri Kabhi Bahuti, it showed women in poor light, but the woman who fought all these stereotypes in the serial is the one who actually has become a minister now. He said that something needs to be done to ban the serials. He also went on to point out how these serials were resulting in some stereotypes coming up in the society, and it was doing great damage to the image of women. And in the same breath, he went on to mention that an actor who is supposed to do a lot of social work, he did not mention Aamir Khan, mind you. He just said an actor who does a lot of social work and who even met the Prime Minister recently, is posing without clothes now. His posters are everywhere without clothes. clothes and obscene posters should not be allowed as well. In between, Jaya Bachchan, who is also an MP, tried to object, and she went on to state that such serials, such movies are just a mirror image of the society as it is. But on the other hand, Satish Chandra Mishra refused to accept that argument and said that such serials and such posters were reflecting poorly on the society. So Aamir Khan's poster becoming quite a big debate in the country, even reaching the parliament now, even reaching the Rajya Sabha now. But it seems like the government has not really, or for that matter, the movie makers are not really perturbed with these developments. It's something that they want, something that they would have expected. In the past, we have seen such opposition come to light, even for that matter, in our very own state. In case of the movie Dandupalya, where Pooja Gandhi had posed backless, it had created quite a furor. In fact, people had taken to the streets demanding that the movie does not release, as they felt that there was too much nudity in the film. So it seems like these reactions were pretty much expected by the makers, but it reaching the parliament is something that they probably wouldn't have anticipated, Akshata.
Right, Nishita, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. Of course, it looks like the issue with regards to Aamir's nude look has now reached the parliament. In the Rajya Sabha, BSP MP Satish Chandra Mishra has pulled up the subject. It is understood that he was going ahead and pointing out the way women are depicted in TV soaps, and also went on to talk about Aamir Khan's new look in the poster of PK. So we will have to wait and watch to see if the parliamentarians take this up seriously, and if they decide to go ahead and take action against the poster and ban it altogether.
Education for all children.